DIY credit repair, step 1, know your why. Hey guys, what's up? Before you do anything to fix your credit, the very first step is knowing why you're doing this. Because here's the truth, credit repair isn't magic. It doesn't happen overnight. If you don't have a strong enough reason, you won't stay consistent. And without consistency, you won't see the results that you need. So ask yourself why. Why do I need better credit? Are you tired of getting denied for loans, getting turned down for apartments, and not being able to get a credit card? Do you want lower interest rates so you can stop overpaying? Are you trying to buy a home? Are you trying to get a new car? Are you trying to get a better future for your family? Whatever your reason is, it needs to be strong, and strong enough to keep you committed when the process feels slow. Because people who win in this are the ones who don't quit. So here's what I want to do. Write down your reason. Make it real. Say it out loud. Drop it in the comments or DM me if you want accountability. Once you've got this locked in, we'll move on to step 2, which is reviewing your credit report. But this first step, knowing your why and what keeps you going, is what's going to make it all happen. So know your why and make it strong enough. With a strong enough why, anything in the world is possible. See you on the next video.